This is the Thai yoga massage for the legs. I'm going to show you the mechanics of it, and then I'm going to show you the energetics of it. I'll tell you what it all means in a second. So please have a little lie down on your back. So the mechanics of it is, one, two, three. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One little stretch. One little stretch. At some point you could do a little thing like this. 1, 2, 3. And just the same on this. One, two, three. Finish. Thank you very much. So that's it. So this is what you get when you go to a massage place. You get the mechanics of it. Has anyone had these types of massages before? Tap, 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 finish. Luckily, I'm me, and you get something a little bit more sexier. Exactly the same thing with the energetics. And you know, that routine took a minute. Done, finished. Good enough. What they say on the internet, bare minimum. But we want to make her feel safe and sexy. And I also want to have a bit of fun doing it. So this is with a little bit of energetics. Is it okay to touch your body? Thank you. Mm. Same thing. Let's have a little sip. Anything you wish to share from that experience?
Thank you. That was very relaxing, grounding, and sensual, connected. I loved it.
Why did you love it so much? And how is it different from the first one?
Well, the first one, as you said, was very mechanic and although very enjoyable for my physical body. The second one was also very nourishing for the rest of my bodies, my emotional body, my mental, spiritual. So it was way more nourishing. And I also could feel your enjoyment.
Thank you very much.